If you haven't worn a wig in years like me, then you're going to want to stay tuned and watch this video on how I did this wig. So I haven't worn a wig in a long time, but my edges from wearing like knotless braids and stuff, I don't know, y'all. Them knotless braids, I don't think it's so much of a protective style. So I've been seeing some thin spots in my hair, especially around the edges, and in the middle it keeps breaking off. And I do have an iron deficiency that I built back up, so hopefully I'll be able to start retaining length in my hair again. But the knotless braids is pulling at the roots, like it's breaking off. You see those like little short pieces? So I haven't worn a wig in a long time, but it's time to pull the wigs back out. This wig is from OQ Hair. OQ Hair, this is a human hair wig. So in the box it comes with some stuff in it, some clips. There's some little cute little stylish clips, some other little clips, another band, and a scrunchie and a cap, which I probably won't be putting all that stuff on, just because I don't do that. So let's talk about the hair. So here's the hair, and it is a curly inch wig. I believe it is, okay, so this is water wave 16 inches. So I didn't get anything like super long or anything like that. So this is a glueless wig. It's a glueless wig. It's already pre-plucked. So look at the hairline. You see it's pre-plucked and it's pre-bleached and it's pre-cut. So they did like a little squiggly line to cut it so that it blends in with your hair, with your skin and your scalp. So it's just not blunt straight across, but you can cut it straight across if you want. And it also comes with a cap because this is glueless. And I love this part on the back. It's like a silicone. So when you put it on, it like, you know, meshes to the back of your neck so it doesn't slide up. Like it's like that sticky kind of like that rubbery texture so that it won't slide up and slide off. So I really like that. And this thing is tight, so I know this wig will go on tight. So this is a water wave. This is a I believe like a 4x6 closure. I could be wrong. 7x4, 4x6, I'm not sure, but it is like a closure. It's not a full frontal. It's not from ear to ear. It's just probably like from temple to temple. And so yeah, I haven't worn a wig in a long time, so I'm gonna braid it up and I'm gonna put this wig on and we're gonna see what happens. I usually leave my edges out because I like my wigs to look more natural, and my forehead is kind of like close up, and I don't want a wig all the way down here. Like I don't do it. So I just leave a little bit of edges out. I put a part in the middle, and I'm just going to braid downward like that. So before I put this wig on, I am going to lather up on some Jamaican black castor oil. So you can find this product in my storefront as well as the video I'll leave for TikTok. But I'm trying to grow my hair in, so just gotta lather up on the oil. This is what the wig looks like on if I didn't put anything to it. I didn't put any type of gel or baby hair or nothing on it. This is what it looks like right here, which is not bad. Like I said, with my hair, I have to put a little baby hair on it because that's just what we gotta do. All right, so I went ahead, first of all, I put some makeup on, but I went ahead and put some makeup on the lace, because that's what the girls do. I haven't worn a lace wig in a long time, so I'm just trying to figure it out here. So I just put that on in the middle of the part. It was a little like orangey, but it was okay, because I'm in between yellow and orange. So at first I was gonna like put it behind my hairline and do my edges, but it just didn't look right because it's already pre-plucked, so this has to go up on my hairline. So I just put my baby hairs back in, and I went ahead and cut some edges on this wig so that I can just kind of blend it in with my edges so it could look a little bit more natural. You know, you don't have to do this if you don't like wear baby hairs and all that stuff like that. If I would have just put like a little bit of gel, just, you know, not to glue it down, but kind of like blend the lace in, with my forehead, I could have did that instead of putting baby hairs, but we wanted to put a little baby hair on it because, you know, it's a curly wig. So it comes with this little headband. So I just put the little headband on and let that just dry and set for a second. So I went ahead and just wet the hair down because it's curly hair and you got to do a little something to it. But the hair was like really soft. Like, look how bouncy the curls are. It's a really good wig. It's soft. It's full. So I used some Scala. It's like a conditioner. It's like a curl cream, but it's kind of like a conditioner consistency, but I really like the way that does curls on natural hair and on this wig. So I went ahead and just did that. And like I said, all these products I'm gonna leave the links for these products in the description. So when I took the little thing off, I was actually surprised at how well it blended in and how good it looked. So I went ahead and put a little bit of concealer in the part just to, you know what I'm saying, give it a little something. And this was the finished look. So after it dried, it had a nice curl, nice bounce to it. It's very full. It's very soft. Like, this is a very easy wig you can throw on every day. So if you need something that's like low maintenance to put on, go to the gym, go to work, you ain't got to do too much. All I got to do is just throw this wig on and not do too much. So the links are in the description box. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you later.